Hello everyone, welcome to Vitto Learning Channel. Today we are going to start on our first Excel video focusing on a VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup, which means it looks for values across columns instead of rows. There are 4 parts to a VLOOKUP function and I'll show you using an example I've created. So now let's go to the sales volume tab. I've created some information over here. We'll use the VLOOKUP function to return the title, sales, and date of birth for John. In this case, you just type in equals VLOOKUP open bracket. The first portion of a VLOOKUP function is the value that you want to look for. In this case, it's John, so you select and click on this cell. Comma. The second portion is where the range whereby you want to find this value, which in this case is over here. And the third portion is the column number that you want to return. In this case, we want to return the title, so it's column 1 to the second column, so you key in 2. And the fourth portion is whether you want to find an exact match or an approximate match. In most of the cases, we'll use exact match, so you just key in false, close bracket, and there you go, you have the title of John. So similarly for sales, to do the same thing, equals to VLOOKUP open bracket, select the cell that you want to look for, which is here, comma, the range whereby you want to look for this value, which is over here, and the third one is what is the column number you want to return, which is in this case the total sales, 1, 2, 3, the third column. And the fourth portion is whether it's an approximate match or exact match, which in this case is false, exact match. Similarly, for date of birth, we can also use VLOOKUP to look for values across different tabs, which in this case I'll show you for the date of birth. I've created another tab with the name of the personnel as well as the date of birth. So now you just key in equals to VLOOKUP open bracket, John. Where do you want to look up this value? Now it's across in this tab. You select these 2 columns. Which column do you want to return? It is the second column, the date of birth, so you key in 2, comma, false, to have an exact match. You can see the date of birth is automatically returned over here. So if you want to consolidate everything into one tab, it's possible using the VLOOKUP as well. So you just key in equals to VLOOKUP. In this case, you select the entire column that you want to look for. And where do you want to look for this value? It's in this tab, in these 2 columns. Which is the column that you want to return? Which is the second column, 1, 2, the date of birth, right? So you just key in 2 and comma, key in false, close comma, close bracket, and you just double click over here and you have all the values in here. So that's all for today. Thank you, and please subscribe to Vitto Learning for more upcoming videos. Thank you.